Another listing taken.
Hey everybody, so today I'm going to talk to you about a wonderful investment opportunity in Baytown, Texas. This property has not one, but two houses on it. What a wonderful opportunity. One of the houses is definitely residential. One could be residential or commercial as it is located on a main road in Baytown, Texas. Now, the beauty of this is the possibilities for this property are endless. You could renovate both of them, you could divide it out, sell it, you could renovate both of them, have two rental properties, residential and a commercial, or you can even occupy one and rent the other. Again, the possibilities are endless. If you'd like more information about this investment opportunity, give me a call. Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.